Welcome back to Easy Talk English.
Do you feel nervous when ordering food in English?
Don't worry, today we'll help you speak confidently at a restaurant.
Listen, repeat, and practice with us.
My name is Sarah.
And I'm Adam.
Today, we'll show you a full restaurant conversation step by step.
You'll learn how to order food, ask for drinks, dessert, and pay the bill in English.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
Comment below what's your favorite food.
Hi Adam, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry. What type of food do you like?
I like burgers and fries. How about you?
I like pizza and pasta.
Have you ever eaten at an English-speaking restaurant before?
Not really. That's why today is perfect for practice.
Repeat after me. I like burgers and fries. I like pizza and pasta.
I like burgers and fries. I like pizza and pasta.
Mr. Adam, hello, welcome.
Hello, table for two, please.
Sure, this way, please.
Repeat after me. Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Thank you.
The restaurant looks nice, doesn't it?
Yes, very cozy.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
What do you want to eat?
I want a burger and fries.
Nice, I want a pizza.
Repeat after me. I want a burger and fries. I want a pizza.
I want a burger and fries. I want a pizza.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a burger and fries.
And I would like a pizza, please.
Repeat after me. I would like a pizza, please.
I would like a pizza, please.
Could you tell me what today's special is?
Today's special is grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
What would you like to drink?
I would like orange juice.
I would like water, please.
Repeat after me. I would like water.
I would like water.
Can we also have a napkin, please?
Good idea.
Repeat after me. Can we have a napkin, please?
Can we have a napkin, please?
Do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have ice cream, chocolate cake, and fruit salad.
I would like ice cream, please.
And I'll try chocolate cake.
Repeat after me. I would like ice cream, please. I'll try chocolate cake.
I would like ice cream, please. I'll try chocolate cake.
Yum, I love ice cream. This food is delicious.
Yes, it tastes very good.
The fries are perfect. How about the pizza?
The pizza is cheesy and tasty.
Repeat after me. This food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
Do you like spicy food?
A little bit. What about you?
I don't like it too spicy.
Comment, do you like spicy food?
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Sure, here you are.
How much is it?
It's $20.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Repeat after me. Can we have the bill, please? Can we pay by card?
Can we have the bill, please? Can we pay by card?
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Now it's your turn. What would you order at a restaurant?
Type your answer in the comments and practice speaking.
Let's review some phrases we learned today. Table for two, please. I would like. Can we have the bill, please? Today's special.
Practice these sentences every day, and you'll speak English confidently in any restaurant.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons.
See you in the next video.